Okay, welcome to Willadine's Kitchen. Good morning, everyone. This morning we're going to put together some biscuits really quick so we can get them done and prepared and ready for the family in no time. So what we have to start off with is 1 1/4 cup of flour in this bowl here. In this small bowl we have half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of baking powder. We have 1 stick of butter, very cold butter. We have 3/4 cup of buttermilk here in this measuring cup here. We have some additional flour for our surface when we roll our biscuits out. And we have a food processor which is going to process all these ingredients really quick for us. So we're going to get started right now. Okay everyone, as you can see we mixed our dough up. We got the butter and the flour and all the dry ingredients mixed together, and then we placed it in a bowl, and then we mixed it in our buttermilk. So what we're going to do is we rolled the dough out, and then we layered it. So that's when we folded it over and we rolled it out, folded it over, rolled it out, folded it over, rolled it out again. So what this will give us is some flaky biscuits. So the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to cut our biscuits out with the biscuit cutter here. This is what one of our biscuits looks like. And I have a pan here. I lined it with some parchment paper. We're going to place the cut biscuits in the pan. we should be able to get 4 to 5 really good biscuits out of here. And what we do is when we have this extra dough, what I like to do is fold it just like we did earlier. And then we'll roll it out some more. Just like so. We should be able to cut us out another biscuit here. And one more. Here it is. This last biscuit isn't as beautiful as the other ones, but it's still going to taste great. So now that we have our biscuits in the pan, we're going to get them in the oven. Now you can use all of this dough. We're just doing a quick fix here, quick bake. So we're just going to go ahead and get these biscuits in the oven. A 400-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes should do, and then we'll see what they look like. Okay, so right before we put the biscuits in the oven, I like to brush some melted butter right on the top. It also adds flavor, and it will help the biscuits brown in the oven. So now we're ready to bake. 400-degree oven. We're gonna go about 20 minutes here, and then we'll see what they look like. Okay, so here are biscuits fresh out of the oven. They've been in there 18 minutes. They're nice and golden brown on the top. If you add a little melted butter to them, they'll shine up a little bit more for you. Depending on if you're having company over, you might want to do that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get a couple of these plated up. The kids should be up, all washed up, their teeth are brushed, and they're ready to come down for breakfast. So we're going to get a couple of these on a plate, and everybody can have breakfast before they leave the house in the morning. Okay, so now we have one of our beautiful biscuits plated up. We have some scrambled eggs on here with some cheese on this biscuit right here. I don't know if you can see that. Cheese is starting to melt on there. So there we go, nice cheesy egg biscuit. On this one, we're going to take some of our melted butter on this second biscuit here. Let's put some of that melted butter on there, just like that. And we have some, what we used to love as kids, some grape jelly. Put some of this grape jelly on here. So now you have a butter and jelly biscuit. Looks good. We just take the top, put that right back over there on top. So now we're ready to go. So on the way out the door, someone can grab a egg and cheese biscuit here, nice melty cheese there, or they can have a grape jelly and butter biscuit. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a fast, quick breakfast item, and everybody should be good to go. Hope you have a nice day, and thank you for viewing. Okay, I was in a rush to get out of the house. It's breakfast time, but what we have to do before we end this video is give it a taste test. So we're gonna take this nice, warm, beautiful looking butter and grape jelly biscuit, and we're going to take a nice big bite out of it. Very good. Biscuits are soft, flaky, buttery, tastes great. Well folks, it's time to go to work. Hope everybody has a good day. Thank you for viewing, and we'll see you soon.